If you're not receiving alerts from ProofHub, like task updates, mentions, or project notifications, don't worry. This is usually caused by settings, browser permissions, or workspace configuration. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ProofHub notifications not working step by step in 2026. First, open ProofHub and go to your Profile or Settings menu. Make sure notifications are turned on for tasks, comments, mentions, and project updates. Next, check your browser permissions. If notifications are blocked, ProofHub won't be able to send alerts. Allow notifications for the site in your browser settings. If you're expecting email alerts, make sure email notifications are enabled inside your ProofHub account. Also check your spam or promotions folder in your email inbox. Each project may have its own notification settings. Open your project and confirm you're subscribed to updates, comments, and task changes. If Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, notifications will be paused. Turn it off to start receiving alerts again. Sometimes outdated sessions cause notification issues. Refresh your browser, clear cache, or try logging out and back in. If notifications still aren't working, try using another browser or device. This helps identify whether the issue is device-specific. If you're using mobile or desktop notifications, make sure your device settings allow ProofHub alerts and notifications are not muted or restricted. If nothing works, contact ProofHub support or your workspace admin. They can help check account-level notification settings and fix deeper issues. And that's how to fix ProofHub notifications not working. Yeah, in most cases, adjusting notification settings and browser permissions will solve the issue quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.